Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to start your PS5 into the safe mode. But first, just briefly, I'm gonna tell you why I had to start my PS5 into safe mode. Let's get started. Hey, what's up guys? We just recently bought this PS5 right here, and while playing these two games, actually we're running into an issue. Basically, all the time the PS5 freezes on us. So basically the screen just freezes, and you have to get out of the game and then get back in, and it send a report. So it looks something similar to this. And when you go to more information over there, they're gonna suggest you start your PC5 in safe mode and then select 5 rebuild database. So I decided to make this video to show you guys how to get into this safe mode for PS5. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure your PS5 is turned off completely. And the other thing you need to do is make sure you have this original cable. I mean, the cable that comes with your controller, because otherwise you're not going to be able to use safe mode, to navigate through safe mode. So you can turn it off via the menu here. But I mean, if it's completely freezed, I mean the screen, you can just hold on power button, the second button from the top, until it just completely shuts off your PS5. So let's do that for now. All right, so once you have it, everything shut off, all we need to do is press and hold on the second button from the top, so this one basically, and wait for 2 beeps. 1, 2nd, and just release. And after that, you're gonna get this screen that it says connect the controller using USB cable, like I told you before, and then press the PS button, which we're gonna do right now. So I'm gonna press the PS button, and here you go. This is the safe mode menu, and you can just use your controller to navigate. So what they actually recommended is to go to number 5, which is restore default settings. I'm not sure that this is gonna work, because I already reset my PS5 2 times. So I'll give it a try, but the purpose of this video was to show you guys how to get into the safe mode for PS5. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. I'll see you next time. Peace.